Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Today we're making these soft, moist, and delicious orange banana muffins in 30 minutes. And guess what? Eggs are not needed in this recipe because we are substituting mashed bananas for eggs. Great for people who have an egg allergy, and we can also save those eggs for main entree dishes since eggs can be pricey right now. We need about 3 bananas to make 1 3/4 cups of mashed bananas. It is best to use ripe bananas because they will not only help us to bind the ingredients, but will also to give a rich banana flavor. We want to mash the bananas to a smooth consistency. A few lumps are okay. Add 1 cup of 100% orange juice. Since this recipe does not use milk, these muffins are also appropriate for those people who have a dairy allergy. 1 3/4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Use vegetable oil if you like. 1 3/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix all these wet ingredients well before adding 1 cup of rolled oats. Stir for a minute or so to let the rolled oats soak up the orange banana flavor. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon each of baking soda and baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Lastly, add 1 3/4 cups of whole wheat flour. Notice I gently folded the flour into the batter instead of mixing it vigorously. I feel this way will help to avoid the muffin batter being overly mixed. The whole wheat flour, rolled oats, and mashed bananas will provide some fiber in these muffins, making these muffins more nutritious. After the flour is well mixed, scoop the batter into a greased muffin pan. This recipe makes 12 regular-sized muffins, just a reference for you in case you want to use different sizes of muffin pan. Bake in a 350 degrees preheated oven for 12 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean from inserting in the center of a muffin. Look how beautiful it is. Can you tell it is soft and moist? Can you believe these muffins are made without eggs? I hope you enjoyed this video and will give this recipe a try. Happy eating and see you next time.